Hi, and welcome to the second video of the Specim IQ tutorial series. I'm Keela, and in this tutorial I will introduce you to the software and menus of the Specim IQ. Let's get started. Specim IQ is a fully portable hyperspectral camera that comes with an embedded software to operate the camera and make the recordings. Before getting into actual measurements, let's take a look at the main functionalities of the device software. Let's turn on the camera. Turn on the camera by keeping the power button pressed until you hear a beep. The Specim IQ logo will then appear on the screen. Booting up the camera will take some seconds. After you turn on the device, you can see the feed from the Viewfinder camera on the screen. This is called the Viewfinder view. The rectangle in the middle of the view represents the area that the actual spectral camera sees. During data recording, both images from the spectral camera and the Viewfinder camera are recorded. On the left side of the screen, you can see the functions for the custom buttons. The icon for the custom button changes based on the view, and it can only be operated from the actual button, not from the touchscreen. On top of the screen, you can see the icons for GPS, the battery's charge level, and the memory card. The number next to the memory card indicates how many scans you can take with the remaining space on your memory card. If the icon is blinking blue, it means that the memory card is in use and should not be removed from the IQ. The GPS icon has different states for when it is on, off, or searching for position. In the right bottom corner, you can see the current white reference mode. The text relates to the button next to it, where the white reference mode can be changed. IQ comes with 3 white reference options: custom, simultaneous, and predefined. White references are needed in hyperspectral imaging to correct the effects of different measurement and illumination conditions and make the measurements comparable. We will look at the different possibilities for white references in the coming tutorials. To the right of the screen, you can see 4 navigation keys. Located in the middle of these keys is the Set Menu button. This button can be used to accept different selections on different dialogues. When in the Viewfinder view, this button will take you to the Device Settings menu. In the main menu view, you can choose one of the built-in measurement modes using the custom buttons located on the left side of the screen. DRM stands for Default Recording Mode, which operates the IQ as a basic hyperspectral camera. The ASM stands for Automatic Screening Mode, which allows the user to create a single-class material identification model directly in the IQ and use that on further measurements. Custom 3 button enables the time-lapse mode, which allows you to set up IQ to acquire a number of images with specified intervals. Custom 4 button in this view can be used to adjust the screen brightness. The catalog contains the datasets, meaning the images you have recorded with the device. When in the catalog view, you can scroll through the datasets either using the touchscreen or the navigation keys. The functionalities of the custom buttons will change in this view to help you zoom in and out of the images, as well as change the visualization of the results shown on the screen. Pressing the back button returns you to the previous view, and it will help you get back to the Viewfinder view. You can also quickly access the Viewfinder mode by pressing the shutter button halfway down. In the main menu, under Device Menu Item, you can find all the different device settings, calibration checks, and detailed information about IQ status. In this tutorial, we won't go to the details of these settings, but just use the device with the default settings. Specim IQ is also capable of running applications which are defined for data processing and visualization for different application fields. When you start the IQ for the first time, the list of applications will be empty. However, you have the possibility of creating your own applications with the graphical user interface of the IQ Studio software, or install the downloaded example applications, also through the IQ software. Continue watching our tutorial series for more information about IQ Studio. Now, let's go back to the main menu view, make sure default recording mode is on, and move on to the next tutorial to see how to capture data with the Specim IQ. If you found this video useful, do give it a like, and please subscribe to the Specim Spectral YouTube channel to follow our tutorial series on the Specim IQ. See you in the next video.